So today we have this laptop. From what I can see here with the service tag, Dell nowadays they don't like to write any more of the model for some reason. It's Dell Inspiron 167620. Came here for repair. I already just opened the screws and the cover. We're going to check and see what it's doing. Battery out. We're going to try to reset the BIOS first, and we're going to see what it's doing. Okay, yeah, that's it. So it's a nice laptop. It's taking 200 milliamp. 200 milliamp. I'm going to take everything apart, and we're going to see what what is taking the amperage. Or go. Okay, so we're going to check what is taking the power. Waiting for my thermal camera to start. Without this, there's no life. Okay, now let's look around and try to find what we have. Oh boy, what is that? Okay, so this chip is getting hot. It's a chip? What is it? Give me something to... So let's see what it is, if it's a chip. Or maybe we'll be lucky like Serene capacitor. I don't have this luck. Nowadays with the new laptop, everything is bad. So let's go see what it is. It's a chip. Yeah, it's this chip, I think. Let's see under the microscope what's getting hot. Oh man, that doesn't look good news. There are a few capacitors over there. Let's try to see if we're going to get lucky or not. Are we going to get lucky? Where's the alcohol? There is the alcohol. Okay, camera. Where's the camera? Yeah, let's see here. Oh boy, it's boiling. I can feel it, the heat from my hand. Yeah, it's probably this one. Yeah, okay. So let's put a little bit of alcohol and see if that's the one. Yeah. Oh boy, look, it's bubbling. So this chip is getting hot, but this chip is supposed to do some kind of protection. So we're going to measure the input and the output of it. I think it's the 3.3 volt probably, or maybe even the 5, I don't know. But this is supposed to protect or to cut the power on the output. So if I will put the probe here, we have two capacitors. Let's see what these capacitors are doing. There's no voltage. Let's check for short. I will disconnect the power. Now let's see what it's doing, these capacitors, first of all. So this is the output, and the output is shorted. Yeah, here is short, here is short. Okay, so both of these capacitors are showing 0. That's bad news. So it's not the chip, it's in the output of this chip. So I'm going to prepare the injector, and I'm going to inject voltage here, and we're going to try to see where the short is. What is this leg? This is probably ground. Most likely this is the ground. Yeah, this is the ground, and this one is some kind of a plus. It's likely to be 3.3. Okay, I will prepare the injector, and we'll see what is getting out. I have a bad feeling about this. Okay, so I'm going to inject voltage to this chip. No, I'm not going to need the camera here. Should be enough. To the leg that is shorted, it was this one. And we're going to see in these capacitors, this is the plus of the capacitor. And we're going to see what's getting hot here. What is getting hot? Don't tell me it's the CPU. Boy. Yeah, there is a spot on the CPU. No, that's bad. Yeah. So it is the chipset, as usual. Yeah, raise the current a little bit. Yeah, that's bad. That's another sad story. I don't know what happened with Intel i5, i7, especially the i7, i9, the new laptops. This is probably 13 gen, 12 gen, and yeah, it's gone. It is the chipset. The camera ran away. battery is dead. So it is the chipset. I'll have the other camera, I'll bring it. I have two of these. So I got the other camera here. I always, because without this camera, I bought a second one to have a spare one just in case. Okay, let's see what's going on. Yeah, it is the chipset getting hot. So the chipset itself is shorted. You can see the dot. If I remove, yeah, dot is gone. If I inject, the dot is back. That's bad. So yeah, here you go. Another sad story for the Intel CPUs that recently we started to receive dead chipset, dead CPUs. Here's what it is. Sadly, this customer is not going to be a happy customer and he's not going to have a working laptop. We can't replace the CPU in these models. This i7 NVIDIA graphic card. It's probably cost $2,000-3,000 laptop. This is probably 13 gen CPU. Sad story. Anyway, this one is not a repair. Hopefully next time we'll have something to repair. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.